Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can add your social media links on your subreddit. Well, it's for sure a good idea to add your social media links too, so that people can follow you on other platforms if they want. So to add your social media links, go to My Tools and select Sidebar Widgets under Community Appearance. Here, click on Add Widget and select Button. Now, write the name of your widget and here you can change the background of your widget and widget title. Since I don't want to, I'm not selecting any. And here you can write some sort of description if you want. And here you can see that it's letting you know that you can add up to 10 buttons or links. Then click on Add Button. And name it, and then add the link. Here you have the option to make it a text button or image button. If you want to make it an image button, then you need to upload an image too. Since I don't want to make it an image button, I'm just keeping it a simple text button. And then you can change the color of your button if you want. And then click on Save. And here you can see that your link has been added. And you still have 9 to add. Now click on Save. And here you can see that your links widget has been added. And this is how it will look like. Now you can add more if you want. Moreover, you can change the hover color too. And then click on Save after adding your links and save again. And here you can see your links have been added. And when you go to your subreddit main page, this is how it will look like. And when you click on your links, you will be led to your profile. And this is how you can add your social media links on your subreddit. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.